Hi beauties, and welcome back to your official Hyaluron Pen channel. I just wanted to share with you our final result. You have all been following the step-by-step process with me. Thank you for all your comments and feedbacks and obviously subscriptions. You're amazing. This treatment works. It's beautiful, it's natural, and it works without a needle, which is why I love it so much. So here are the photos that were taken about 3 weeks after the client's last follow-up. These babies should now last her about 6 months before they need another top-up. We used a total of 2.5 mils of our lip serum. We did a total of 3 treatments, all about 2 to 3 weeks apart. And everything is filmed and documented on this channel, so hopefully you can all learn something from it. These results are beautiful, they're natural, they're gradual, and it's all done with the Hyaluron Pen Pro technique. So we do offer online training, and we have obviously our Instagram and our Facebook pages if you want to follow us. And our next video will be chin or cheeks. I will go and see who voted in my comments on the previous video and count those up. So thank you so much for watching.